What? Just for fish and chips?
Fish! Yeah, no, we've got no fish left, and chips are in the freezer, so...
We'll go fucking get them then. Fucking hell, you're like me wife.
Hold on, tell a lie.
Yeah.
Look at this fucking thing. Got pickled egg with that?
Pickled egg? Absolutely not. We're not in 1945 Nazi Germany, mate. I'd be fish.
Alright, suit yourself. Alright, that'll be 108 quid. Just get this fucking thing away. Fucking hell! It's not even. Fucking thing.
Fucking hell, Shirley, sort him out, love.